Powers are not wrong. This system which I am teaching all of you, the Timili process, experience of Advaita, living Advaita, not only awakens the non-dual experience in you as short as within 21 days, it is also as deep as great process of Hatha Yoga. It awakens the Ashtama Siddhis. So I am giving you the essence of the whole process today. The first step, form a Timili. Timili means family plus team together. Persons with whom you are sharing your whole day. The person may be your senior officer or junior officer. He may be your employee or employer. He may be your subordinate or boss. The persons with whom you are sharing your home. It may be your kid, your father, your mother, your daughter, your spouse, husband or wife, even your maid, driver, whoever is living in and around you, whoever is living with you, around you. Unfortunately, all the English words are too small. The word Bandhu Mitra, what it means in Sanskrit can never mean friends and relatives in English. In Sanskrit, the depth of the word Bandhu Mitra can never be translated by the word friends and relatives. That is why I am struggling and using so many words. People who live around you, with whom you share your life and all that. In Sanskrit, just these two words is enough. Bandhu Mitra, your Timili. Your team and family. Make a list of your team and family. Decide you will live in the space of completion with all of them. First, form a Timili. Second, decide you will live in the space of completion with all of them. Please understand. For each of this instruction, why, I already spoke last 1 month. How, why, all that I have spoken last 1 month. Today I am just specifically going to only give the instructions. Like capturing the gist. Third, form a clear identity which you want to live. Authentic inner identity which you want to live. Authentic outer identity which you want to live. Authentic others' image means the image which others want to feel about you. The image, what is the image you want others should experience about you? And life image, what is the image you want to experience about life? Pen down all these 4 elaborate, detailed way, and as the support of your teamily, tell them, this is the way I am going to build myself. Can you all support me? Help me by giving the feedback. What all the incompletions I have to complete? What all the way I have to transform myself to be this authentic personality? Asking the feedback of your teamily. When your teamily gives the feedback, you need to sit and contemplate, to track back, trace back all those incompletions in you, how the patterns developed in you and became those incompletions which your teamily is pointing it out. This is the tricky area. If you tell your teamily, I want to be remembered by all of you as a loving, caring person. Your teamily says, then you need to develop more trust on us. As of now, the trust is not enough. Then look back when this distrust pattern starts. Then you make the list of all the incompletions you need to complete. Your teamily's feedback is like a raw understanding. You tracking back and tracing back to the source of patterns, root incidents from when you developed those incompletions. I gave you one example. If you declare your other's image, I want every one of you to perceive me as loving, caring person. Your teamily gives you the feedback. You may have to raise your trust on us more. That's the incompletion we find. Then you need to sit and trace back. When you started developing this distrusting pattern, those incidents pen down. Now all the feedback your teamily gave and the tracking back, tracing back you did, which is available in front of you, is the incompletions you need to complete. That is the incompletions you need to complete. So listen, ध्यान से सुनिए, please listen. Once you list all the root incidents, root patterns, incompletions, now it is time for you to complete. I tell you, the moment you pen them down and identify your incompletions, they lose power over you. They lose power over you. Sometimes people ask me, how to know teamily's feedback is right? Be very clear. Anything teamily gives as a feedback, take it as right. Don't even have the problem whether teamily is right or wrong. Anything teamily gives as a feedback, take it as right and track back. If it is not right, don't worry, naturally those incompletions will not be there. If it is there, complete it. If it is not there, enjoy it, that's all. Describe all your incompletions in detail. Just by understanding, most of them will lose power over you, and the remaining, if there are few, sitting like a small wound, like a pus, just few days, complete them and drop it, it will disappear. Nothing to be worried, nothing to be bothered. So I give you next few days to do this completion. Completion can be done in two ways. One, reliving and relieving, or using your intelligence and just discarding. When you know it is incompletion, you can just discard, that's all. If you feel so attached, you are not that sure it is only incompletion, then sit and brood over, relive them and relieve. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
Nityananda Dhyanapeetham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.